look very, very small and young and like me, I know she that, but she really sexy and look good. But just always want to
What's it supposed to mean? What's it supposed to mean?
just meow.
You know what that means.
What up guys, welcome to another video, another vlog. It's your phone there, I carry it.
Nick.
Welcome to another video, another vlog. So today is Emancipation Day, when Jamaican get away from the slave trades, right? And we said free. So now my wife there, we plan to go out and enjoy Emancipation Day because we never get the chance to go to other places. For example, I wanted to go to the beach, but it didn't work out. But nevertheless, me and my wife are going to enjoy today. Nothing can stop we. So we are going to enjoy today with love and happiness. And so far, I want to say thanks to all our new subscribers, right, who have jumped on to the ship. So we are heading into the right direction, people. So we're heading out. So we'll see you there. Yes. Voila. Yes, shiny.
So guys, we are at Old Mexico, and that is where we are spending our day.
So hot?
Over here kind of full though. Not really though. See, cashier over there.
Well, first you want something to drink. More orange juice.
Can I have a seat first?
Alright. Come. Something by
Oh, like, we can't even go up. So far from me.
what is one of these? Come on, that's all.
Can't come. Can't go. So I'm not quite sure what I'm having. Probably pork. Probably jerk pork. Alright guys, so
Jerk chicken.
after we finish order them,
I want jerk chicken.
after we finish order them, we show you what we got. Alright guys, so I got jerk pork with rice and vegetable.
Mashed rice?
Yeah.
Okay.
You took a too strong away, yours.
You need to drop mine. Sorry, it's okay. We'll turn it back on you.
Alright, so guys, we ordered their chicken with rice. Honestly, let me tell you, got you. Over years I'm not with people who are struggling. Look at me get my $600. I'm not exaggerating. Their pork with 1 spoonful of rice and half a spoon of vegetable. And we got festival.
$8 to one.
$8 for one festival. Wake it up there now.
My man.
No Kim, oh my. Because if I'm Kim one. I'm not from vegan. But anyways, you can't ask that.
We have one here.
That one. It's sad because
Well, if you're a rich person, you can come here. But for me and Rock,
one time deal.
not got married. Or maybe, but you know, we need to on good terms. But right now, no worth it, people.
No, pardon. Is it, Oh God. Oh God.
Look at this. This is what they give for a tie. This is a tie. This is not even a piece of a tie.
Serious. Can't really make out yourself white people. No offense.
Not really white people, but tourists.
Tourists. I take one ketchup. When I put up a ketchup too.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus.
Did you know that you have to pay for extra spoon, extra fork? Come. It's good, that's all.
We're just letting you guys know. Huh? So, while we're eating, we were thinking about answering a few questions that you guys have. There are a few questions that you guys may have. You probably want to know us a little bit more. I would love for you to ask more questions. If you want to know something about us, just ask. But I'm going to be talking about, we are going to be just telling you guys about us. Basic information, really. Someone was asking that if we were married. I think one question. Yes, we are. We are
Already.
we are married. November coming up this year, 2018. We'll be married for 3 years. We'll be married for 3 years, right? What other question people normally ask? Oh yeah, somebody was asking if we have wedding video ourselves. Yes, we do. We wanted to release the wedding video around our anniversary time also. Yeah, so we were just waiting for that moment to come. So November, we'll be doing a little video with or a wedding. You understand? But other questions people normally ask them.
Well, kind of answer some random, like I don't know people that ask. How did we meet? You know, what our favorite thing to do, etc. etc.
How did we meet?
Why we are so cute?
And
What's the
why-
secret for loving? All those things.
And so how did we meet?
Well, we met in a club, go-go club. I saw her dancing. I'm just kidding.
Bruh.
Sorry, we couldn't meet in a go-go club.
Coming to go.
Just kidding, guys. We don't even go club. Well, I don't go club. Markisha, you go club?
I've never been to one. The festival is up on so. People them not easier to you want to like
Sure.
a piece of meat and skin. I pair that in my dish.
I love pork, but I don't really buy pork when I go out.
I decided to try something new. Apart from everyday chicken. When I go out, I normally stick to what I know I go chase food at the end of the day. I know something I go waste my money. So you can't really go wrong with chicken, honestly.
Well, I'm very hot.
How did we meet?
On site?
We met at church. We met at church. We had the same pastors, but he was in a different community. Different community, but we had the same pastor. So his pastor brought him and another fellow over to our church, my church, one Sunday, and
well, before that, from the very beginning, before that, I dreamt about her, right? But I didn't know who I dreamt about. But until Crusade, I was convinced. Which one?
convention.
Then we saw her, and she looked very, very small and young, and like me, I said, I know she that, but she really sexy and look good. But just always want to
What's it supposed to mean? What's it supposed to mean?
just meow.
You know what that means?
But trust me, guys, we had so many good moments over the phone, over Facebook at least.
So after we met that Sunday in church, he was the one who introduced himself to me because I was about my merry business. So introduced himself to me.
Tell them how.
You said, yeah, you said hello. He asked me my name, tell me name, and he said he asked me if I wanted to change my last. That's a kind of weird question. Like I'm gonna say in due time. I'm gone my ways. Monday morning, reach at work, get one message. It was in French. or Spanish, which one? It was in another language. So I was
Spanish.
thinking probably somebody who wants to know English is texting me. You understand? So I said, wait. Then I said hello to the person. I was there talking. He said, how are you? And such, but I never looked at the profile picture. And I said, wait, how can I talk to somebody? I mean, even look at the picture to see who them piece up me click on the picture. And then I realized this boy has been stalking me. Like, why are you stalking me, son? And then we started to talk. After that, every morning, I go work. My Facebook would be up, and then I would see a message there. Hi, beautiful. How are you? Or something of the sort, something cute or nice, and that was real sweet. We continued to talk. I would continue to talk until I wanted to. What happened?
Every day we talk and talk, but every evening, when you reach 5 o'clock, when it's time for her to go,
Four.
I always say goodbye and see you next time.
Yeah, we started to go there working.
So we just cut it short because it was only on Facebook, guys. I didn't ask her for a number because I didn't want it. I just wanted to talk to her only on Facebook. That means whenever Sunday night comes, she goes to bed early to go back to work just to text me.
Because at the time I never had the internet connected at home, and I wasn't going to go out of my way to buy no, what do you call it, service from automatic. So I never buy the service, so I normally use the computer at work. So one day I said to him, you can take me number and we can carry the conversation outside of work. So I was the one who gave him my number. He never asked for mine.
Don't do that, guys.
That which was kind of cool. Yeah. Whatever.
So that was it, and then it wasn't a long time after, you know. From first, I fell in love with her the first time I saw her. Love at first sight is real.
Are you first met at convention? I saw him, but me never. He's one of those persons you just see and pay no mind. You know, like just me see you, like, but me not see you, like, yeah.
So she saw me, but she didn't pay me no mind.
Me never interested.
My man. But you're interested now?
No.
Okay.
I joke.
It's alright. I always think about where I'm coming from. For example,
You want this?
every time I look back, you can take it.
Because you want a bigger piece.
I like the part, I like the skin part. Skin part, I never tried too much. Yeah, strong and part.
Yeah. So we can't every time. Something that you guys do not know or some people do not know. We dated for 6 months. After 6 months we get married.
Yes.
A
Because
lot of people are going to say, what?
yeah, the reason for that is let me tell you something. Everybody see life different. I believe in having something and cherish that something from a tender age or from the earliest time and grow with that instead of waiting for you to get old and then trying to control something which you'll have you're not gonna have a lot of control over. So I'm bending the tree from its young, so when it's old, the tree keeps bending.
No, I don't like that. No,
I'm bending the tree.
I'm bending a couple. No one. But that is our story.
Yeah.
But
So far.
that is just in brief, because there are a lot of other in-between stuff that are really probably necessary.
Our first date before
yeah.
marriage was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
Tell him everything what
We
happened.
went to Mongoose.
Tell him Everything happens.
restaurants.
Then down to the details.
No.
If you guys want to hear the details, leave it down below in the comments.
Yeah, but tell the details. I'm gonna run away.
So next lady. Her jokes
Yeah,
that.
I jokes. Not a jokes. I jokes if you're watching this. So that is our story. If you guys want to know what is the normally ask? If you want children, yes we do. You want a row like 2, 3 kids? No, 3, 2 kids.
Yeah. One junior.
No.
One junior male, one junior female.
Oh.
And then
No, I'm not junior. No junior.
one thing for sure, guys, we really do love each other. I love Rakisha so much. Rakisha is my best friend. She's my soulmate. She's my goosebump. Wait, my dumpling done. Give me some feel.
No, try this over here. You see, the last time I tried this foolishness, you know. Stop it. Don't try. If it is a festival of men, I'm not sure. Me sure it's gonna put this in.
Do you have a carrot? What is this?
It's the matrix, so we have a person. No, man, I turn it over. I will throw fire.
Not taste good.
If you want it. If you want it.
Chicken not too bad, but it's too expensive.
Wait. I'm just not telling you how it goes. Let's tell you the real deal. You want treat yourself and you can come here. Like how we treat yourself today here. On a regular now. Not be rude.
So guys, if you want to see us do more of these vlogs, you can request them, you know. Don't be afraid, because we are family now, and we are not afraid of you guys, so don't be afraid of us. And I really appreciate you guys so much. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here in the first place. Not saying that you allowed us to be here now, but because of your love, that's why we are here, showing you back love. And we feel comfortable, like, you know, we are part of each other, you know, brother, sister, you know, just family. And we really appreciate you guys. And for every 100 subscribers as from now, we'll be giving back to you guys. We don't know what yet, but we will. Yeah, it depends on where you're at. If you're in Jamaica, then we can find something nice. If you're in the USA, we have to work out something else, you know, or overseas. So that's our thing from now. We just want to make you guys feel more comfortable at home with us. So thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for loving us. Thank you guys for seeing us as, you know, two couple that you guys look up to. So we appreciate it.
Like, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, please. We really appreciate it. And share with your friends. Ensure that you share the videos, guys.
And invite your friends to watch us.
Yeah, pull your friends in. Yeah.